In this video, we will show you how to reset Epson XP-7100 printer using resetter or adjustment programs. Before you download this resetter or adjustment programs, we suggest you to disable for a while your antivirus, including Windows Real-Time Protection and the Tamper Protection if you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11. After you disable your antivirus for a while, you can download this resetter, the link on comments. After you download the file, you can just right-click and select Extract All. After that, open the resettle folder here and run the adjustment programs. For the first time use, maybe you will need the password. You can see the password on the TXT files. After the programs open, you can just click particular adjustment mode button here and scroll down, select was ink pad counter and click OK. Please tick on both main pad counter and platen pad counter and click check button. After you click check button, then click initialize button. If you encounter error here, you can try to repeat the resetting process. Also, move your USB printer into another port on your computer. After the resetter works, you can just click finish and you can turn off your printer. After that, you can turn back on your printer again. That's all tutorial how to reset Epson XP-7100 printer using resetter or adjustment programs. Thanks for watching.